Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to save a specific or a selected area as PDF from Excel sheet. So let's begin. I have a dummy sheet ready to show. Now I'm making a selection with a specific range or specific area. For example, I'm selecting from the row 1 to 13. Then I'm going to save this selected area as PDF. So go to File, click on Save As, then select the location you want to save to, then write the name of your file, for example tutorial 2, then select the PDF, and from this area click on Option, and under the Publish What, select the selection, then OK, then Save button. You see, the selected specific area has been converted to PDF. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video. Thank you very much.